we will discuss one poem, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was a great romantic poet. Uh, he has written five Lucy poems. Lucy is the name of a girl whom he loved. The identity of Lucy is not clear. Some critics say that she was his beloved, whom he loved deeply. Some people say she was none but his sister Dorothy Wordsworth, whom he loved. Some people say she, only a name. She did not have any physical entity. No, she was not in a physical form. She was the creation of the imagination of the poet. Whatever may be the truth, but he wrote five Lucy poems. In this poem, he describes the death of Lucy and a different psychology has been presented in this poem. Generally, at the death of someone dearest and nearest, we shed tears, but he shows happiness at the death of his beloved Lucy. See, the poem is very nice, one of the five Lucy poems, and the prelude is his greatest work, and it is known as the finest flower of the garden of रोमांटिक स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री. रोमांटिक विचारधारा के जो कविताएं हैं उसमें प्रेल्यूड जो उनका है, द प्रेल्यूड, मंगलाचरण जिसको हिंदी में कह सकते हैं. फिर तो ये पोएम हिंदी में प्रेल्यूड को मंगलाचरण कहते हैं. A slumber did my spirit seal. The poem is like that. A slumber did my spirit seal. Slumber means deep sleep. Spirit means soul. Seal means closed. A deep sleep closed my spirit. What happened then? A slumber did my spirit seal. I had no human fears. What are the human fears? So long as a man lives, he is tortured by different types of fears. Fears of getting cold in winter season, fears of you see of scorching sun, fear of heavy rainfall, fear of storm. Then with the change in season, different types of fear we suffer from with the change in season. Then after death, such fear is removed from life. Such fears are not found in our life after death. I had no human fears. She seemed a thing that could not feel. After death, Lucy became lifeless. She was like an object, inanimate object, having no life, no feeling. The touch of earthly years, what could she not feel? What couldn't she feel? She could not feel the touch of earthly years. Earthly years refers to the cycle of seasons. There are 4 seasons in in a year, and every season comes with some problem. Winter season, cold problem. Summer season, hot problem. Weather is very hot, and you see rainy season has its own problem for human being. Autumn season, a charmless season. Next is the touch of earthly years. When a person is dead, he or she does not feel the touch of earthly years, means The problems created by uh, the change in season, such problem is not felt by the people when one is dead, when he or she is dead. No motion has ceased now. The woman becomes motionless. No force, no power, no energy in the body, lifeless. She neither hears nor sees. A dead after the death, Lucy was not in a position to hear, not in a position to see anything. She neither hears nor sees. Yes, rolled round in Earth's diurnal course. Diurnal course, daily motion of the Earth, rotational motion of the Earth, which creates day and night on the Earth. Diurnal course. And Earth's diurnal course, when Earth moves, uh, we um, you see, day and night occurs on the Earth. Daytime and night occur on the Earth due to the diurnal course of the Earth, daily motion of the Earth, rotational motion of the Earth. And after death, a man becomes, similarly, Lucy has become an inseparable part of nature. She will go around with the rotational motion of the Earth, and she will move with the rotational motion of the Earth like rocks, stones, and trees. All these static things are there, rocks, stones, and trees. They are all the time moving with the diurnal course of the Earth. The poem is therefore, after death, Lucy Lucy is free from all the troubles of life, all the tears of life, the torturing seasonal changes cannot do any harm to her. This is why the poet takes a breath of relief after her death. Uh, this poem is like that. ये कविता, एक गहरी नींद ने मेरी आत्मा को बंद कर दिया और मैं सारे मानवीय डर से मुक्त हो गया, कोई भय नहीं था. शी सिम्ड ए थिंग, वो ऐसी शी सिम्ड ए थिंग दैट कुड नॉट फील, वैसा लग रही थी कि वो किसी ह्यूमन फियर्स को फील नहीं कर सकती. और टच ऑफ अर्थली ईयर्स, जीवन में इस धरती पर जितने दुख हैं, सीजन में चेंज होने के साथ जितने दुख होते हैं, वो सारे दुख उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते. नो मोशन है सी नाउ, नो फोर्स, न उसमें कोई गति है, न कोई शक्ति है, न वो सुन सकती है. सी नीदर हियर्स नॉर सीज, न वो सुन सकती है न देख सकती है. केवल धरती के दैनिक गति के साथ वो घूमेगी, क्योंकि वो प्रकृति का एक अभिन्न अंग बन गई है. सी हैज़ मिक्स्ड विथ दिस यूनिवर्स, सी हैज़ बिकम ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स. और वो पृथ्वी के दैनिक गति के साथ घूमेगी, उन चट्टानों के साथ, पत्थरों के साथ और वृक्षों के साथ जो पृथ्वी की दैनिक गति के साथ हमेशा घूमते रहते हैं. लूसी का प्रकृति का एक अभिन्न अंग बनना उनके लिए खुशी की बात है. ब्रह्मलीन हो जाना, इस ब्रह्मांड में समाहृत हो जाना उनके लिए खुशी की बात है. और सारे दुखों से लूसी का मुक्त हो जाना उनके लिए खुशी की बात है. लगता है ये पोएम आपको अगर अच्छा लगे, यूट्यूब पर लाइक करिए, मेरे पेज यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, इंदिरा कोचिंग सेंटर क्लासेस. और फेसबुक पर देखें तो फॉलो मी एंड लाइक एंड यू सी कमेंट. थैंक यू.